This is Zelda's and Marceline's first time at the new house. That's why she's acting crazier than normal. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious, she just dragged me.
Whoa, you okay, dude?
What?
She didn't mean to, honey. Are you okay?
I want to say something. This is Trent from Monsterz. Today we are at a brand new house with the dog Zelda and Marcy because they're so cute, and we're moving to a brand new house, and then we're gonna have a pool at a brand new house for some of my friends, and we made a bigger house for some of my friends to get in here. Bye! 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 Bye for Trent! Peace out! Peace out! No. I don't know what I'm doing. Look at me, I'm so funny.